Hello, friends. Welcome back to the world of knowledge. Today, we will learn important English words about trees with Urdu meanings and simple example sentences. This will help you speak and understand English better. Let's begin.
Tree. Tree. A tall plant with a trunk, branches, and leaves. Trunk. Trunk. The thick, main stem of a tree. Branch. Branch. A branch grows from the trunk and holds leaves. 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 Leaves are the flat green parts of a tree. Root. Root. The part of the tree that grows under the ground. Bark. Bark. The outer covering of a tree's trunk. Fruit. Fruit. The sweet part of a tree that we eat. Seed. Seed. A small part that grows into a new plant or tree. Shade. Shade. We sat in the shade of the tree. Oxygen. Oxygen. Trees give us oxygen. Evergreen tree. Evergreen tree. A tree that stays green all year. Deciduous tree. Deciduous tree. A tree that loses its leaves in autumn. Wood. Wood. The material we get from trees. Canopy. Canopy. The top layer of trees in a forest.
Friends, today we learned tree vocabulary words with Urdu meanings and sentences. Trees are very important because they give us fruits, wood, shade, and oxygen. Keep practicing daily and tell me in the comment which tree do you like the most. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the World of Knowledge for more English learning videos. See you next time.